Well friends, question number 2, sum number 2. The question is 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So dear friends, we are going to assume the present age of Nuri is equal to X and Sonu is equal to Y. Now the question is given 5 years ago. That means we have to find out Nuri and Sonu's age 5 years ago. So for Nuri it will be X minus Y and for Sonu it will be Y minus 5. They are given you in question that they are given you in the question that Nuri was thrice old as Sonu. So Nuri's age will be thrice as Sonu's age. So Nuri is X minus 5 and thrice of Sonu, that is Y minus 5 into 3. That means it is X minus Y is equal to 3Y minus 15, multiplying 3 by Y and 3 by 5. Shifting 3Y on the left hand side and minus Y on the right hand side, it becomes X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. That is your equation number 1. The second condition given to you is after 10 years. That means after 10 years, Nuri's age will be X plus 10 and Sonu's age will be Y plus 10. So they have given you that after 10 years, Nuri's age will be twice as old as Sonu. So Nuri's age is X plus 10 and twice matlab multiply by 2 into Y plus 10. Solving the equation, we are going to get 2 into y is equal to 2y, 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. Now shifting 2y on the left hand side and 10 on the right hand side, it becomes x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. So x minus 2y is equal to 10. So that is your equation 2. Now dear friends, in both the equation, the first term is x and in second equation also the term is x. Both are plus x. That means we are going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Equation 2 was x minus 3y minus 10 is equal to minus 10 and x minus 2y is equal to 10. Making the sign opposite, x is cancelled. 3 minus 3y plus 2y is equal to minus y. Minus plus, that is minus 20. Minus get cancelled, so y is equal to 20. Substituting y is equal to 20 in equation 1. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. So value of y as we have got is 20. So I am putting y is equal to 20. So x minus 3 into 20 is equal to minus 10. X minus 320 is 60, that is minus is equal to minus 10. Shifting minus 60 on the right hand side, it becomes plus 60. So x is equal to, I am going to get is 50. The sum of the digit, this is an important sum. The sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 9. Sum of the 2-digit number means 10, 11, 12 going up to 99. So here we are going to assume let the digit at the tens place is equal to x and digit at the unit place is equal to y. The sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 9. The original number which we are going to get is x plus y. X is on the tens place, so it will be 10x plus y. So equation 1 will be x plus y is equal to 9, because as in the question they have told you the sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 9, that is x plus y is equal to 9. Now they have told you by interchanging the digits, that is instead of x we are going to write y and instead of y we are going to write x. That is, if the digits are reversed, the digit at tens place becomes y and the digit at unit place becomes x. So the new number which we are going to get is 10y plus x. Now they have told you 9 times the original number is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. 9 times the original number. 9 times the original number is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. So the original number as we have got is 10x plus y. So it is 9 into 10x plus y is equal to 2 into 10y plus x. Multiplying 9 to 10 and y. So 90x plus 9y is equal to 20y plus 20. Shifting 20y to the left hand side and 2x to the left hand side. 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y is equal to 0. 90x minus 2x is 88 and 9y minus 20y is equal to 11y. Taking 11 as common, I am going to get xy minus 8x minus y is equal to 0. So my second equation is 8x minus y is equal to 0. Now dear friends, y in both the equation, in equation 1 y was positive and in equation 2 y is negative. So adding both the equation, if I am adding equation 1 and 2, that is x plus y is equal to 9, 8x minus y is equal to 0, plus minus get cancelled, plus minus get cancelled, and 8x plus x is equal to 9x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 upon 9. So x is equal to 1. Now substituting 1 in equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 9. So x, we have got the value as 1. So I am introducing x as 1 plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 1. So y is equal to 8. Original number was 10x plus y. So instead of x I am going to write y 1 and y I am going to write 8. So 10 into 1 is 10 plus 8. Therefore the original number will be 18. Original number will be 18. Now another sum. Meena went to the bank to withdraw rupees 2000 and she asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and 100 notes only, and Meena got 25 notes in all. So let us assume that Meena receives number of note, okay, that is let Meena receive number of 50 rupees note is equal to x. Now 50 rupees note, that is 50x, so the value comes to 50x, and 100 rupees note is equal to y. As 100 rupees note, it will be, the value will be 100y. The total amount received by her is 2000 rupees. So 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Now 50 I am taking common, so it will be x plus 2y is equal to 40. 50 is divided, 50 goes on the right hand side as division, so it becomes 40. So my equation is x plus 2y is equal to 40. Now total number of note received is 25. That means x plus y is equal to 25. That is my second equation. So I got two equations, that is x plus 2y is equal to 40 and x plus y is equal to 25. Now dear friends, both the x are positive. So subtracting equation 2 from 1. So subtracting equation 2 from 1, that is x plus 2y is equal to 40. So x plus 2y is equal to 40 and x plus y is equal to 25. So making the sign opposite, subtracting, making the sign. So plus x minus x goes away, 0. 2y minus y is equal to y. 40 minus 25 is 15. So I have got value of y is equal to 15. Now introducing value of y is equal to 50 in equation 2. That is x plus y is equal to 25. X plus 15 is equal to 25. Plus 15 goes to the right hand side. So x here 25 minus 15. X is equal to 10. So Meena get 10 notes of rupees 50 and 15 notes of rupees 100. Question number 5. Library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days, an additional charge for each day. Therefore, Sunita paid rupees 27 for the book kept for 7 days, while Sushi paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Let us see. Now we are going to assume let the fixed charge for the 3 days is equal to x and additional charge for each day is equal to y. So Sunita keeps the books for 7 days, means 3 days, that is the fixed charge x rupees. So she has to pay extra charge for 7 minus 3, that is for 4 days, because she is keeping the books for 7 days. So Sunita keeps the book for 7 days. She has to pay additional charge for 4 days, that is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So the equation comes to x plus 4y is equal to 27. Fixed charge plus additional charge, total 27 rupees. Same way, okay, well, Sushi has to pay fixed charge plus additional charge for 2 days. Now Sushi is keeping the book for 5 days. For 3 days there is fixed charge, so 5 minus 3, so additional charge he has to pay for 2 days. So the equation is x plus 2y is equal to 21. So I am getting both the equation, that is x plus 4y is equal to 27 and x plus 2y is equal to 21. Now again friends, both the x are positive, so I am going to subtract equation 2 from 1. That is x plus 4y is equal to 27 minus x plus 2y is equal to 21. Changing the sign, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. So plus minus is cancelled. 4y minus 2y I am going to get 2y. 27 minus 21 is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 upon 2. Now substituting y is equal to y 6 upon 2 is y is equal to 3. So I am going to substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 1. So x plus 4y is equal to 27. X plus 4 into y, the value is 3, so 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 27. X plus 12 is equal to 27. X is equal to 27 minus 12, so x is equal to 15. That means the fixed charge for 3 days is rupees 15 and additional charge for each day is rupees 12. Tomorrow morning 10 o'clock Rudra madam is going to take your period of science. So all of you please be online at 10 o'clock. Thank you.